You're ringing my bell. I rush to the door. Not sure you can tell, but I can't wait no more. You're wearing a suit, white shirt and a tie. Brought me a red rose, but I'm not gonna lie. Give me a kiss and a bottle of wine. I wanted your body all over mine. Don't treat me like a lady, don't waste no time. Your hands on my neck and a bruise on my thighs. Baby, I don't want no gentleman, at least not tonight. Can you just cancel that reservation? Let's just stay in, I'll give you compensation. Just don't you say please.